How to actually make money online, $500 per day. No theory, not hype, but actual methods that are working right now and will be working in 2026.
Here's what most people get wrong about making $500 a day. The math is way simpler than they think.
Starts with some honesty about what $500 per day actually means and requires. It's not passive at first. It takes 3 to 6 months to build. It requires one core skill, must solve expensive problems, and consistency matters more than talent. In other words, first, this isn't passive income, at least not initially. You need to put in real work for 3 to 6 months before systems.
You don't need a massive audience, a viral video, or complicated funnels. Just one valuable offer and a tiny number of buyers. One $500 client or two $250 sales. That's it. The moment he broke this down, the entire idea of online income stopped being mysterious and became practical.
Starts running themselves. Here's what most people don't understand. $500 per day isn't actually that difficult mathematically. It's just 2 or 3 high-ticket sales or one good client.
We know money is a byproduct of what we give first. And that's why we make these videos every single day, with the hope that at least one viewer will get one help from our videos. If that happens, we will consider this our greatest success. But we cannot keep on doing it without your help. And for that, the only thing we need from you is like this video, share with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel. Because if you do that, YouTube will consider this video as an important video and they will share it with more and more people. And if more people gets benefit, you will be the part of the blessing, inshallah. So please go ahead, hit the like button, share with your friends and family, social media contacts, subscribe yourself, and ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you will help us get 10,000 followers in next 3 months. We need your help, because we cannot do it without you. I'll give you a second for taking action, and then let's go watch the rest of the video.
The reason most people fail is they're trying to make $10 sales instead of $250 2 sales. In other words, you need one client at $500 a day, or you need 2 sales at $250 each, or 5 sales at $100.
But understanding the math is just the beginning. The real breakthrough comes when you learn which problems people pay serious money to solve.
Solve expensive problems, like I already said. Second one is use leverage in today's age, AI and automations. And the third pillar is compounding your efforts.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing. We use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% done for you program, we help beginner 9-to-5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you. If you're thinking how you can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbarry.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we will show you our program and how we can help you make this kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
The first pillar is solving expensive problems. This is where most people go wrong. They try to sell $27 ebooks or $7 templates.
This is the part that separates 2025 entrepreneurs from everyone stuck in old school workflows. Artificial intelligence handles the repetitive execution, so you stay focused on strategy and results. Templates, systems, and digital products mean you're not starting from zero each time. And when you combine this leverage with a valuable offer, your income stops growing linearly and starts compounding.
That's not wrong, but it's incredibly difficult to scale. Here are some expensive problems people are willing to pay big money for. Making more money, first one. Saving time, business owners, this is a big one. Reducing business costs, getting more customers, that's obviously for every business. Fixing compliance and legal issues, health transformations, and relationship solutions. Let me give you a practical example. A local business that needs customers will gladly pay $2,000 per month for effective marketing.
But AI leverage is only half the advantage. The real money comes when you see how these small improvements stack over time. And that leads to the next model.
This is where 2025 and 2026 are completely different from even 2 years ago. AI does 80% of the work. templates and systems, recurring revenue models, digital products, sell or create once and deliver infinite, build once and sell repeatedly. AI can now handle 80% of the service delivery. Templates and systems mean you're not starting from scratch each time.
This model is the fastest path to $500 a day because businesses already spend thousands every month on marketing. AI does the heavy lifting and you handle the strategy and quality control. Services like social media, content creation, and email marketing are always in demand. With just 3 to 5 clients, you've already crossed the $500 per day mark.
Digital products let you sell once and deliver infinite times, and this leverage is what makes $500 per day achievable without working 16 hours a day. Now, the third pillar is the compound effect. This is patience combined with consistency. Month number 1, you're learning and getting your first client. Month 2, you're refining and add more. By month 6, you're at full capacity. Each month builds on the previous one. This is how sustainable business.
But the next model gets even more powerful because it lets you build something once and sell it forever.
Can generate $500 per day. I've either personally used these or seen them work consistently for others. Model number 1, service business with AI. This is the fastest path to $500 per day. You provide services like content writing, social media management, or email marketing. AI handles the heavy lifting, you provide strategy and quality control, you charge $2,000 to $5,000 per month per client.
You take what you already know and turn it into an asset that sells again and again. One 15 to 20 minute VSL can do the selling 24/7 without you being there. Just one $497 or $997 sale per day hits your $500 per day target instantly. And once you add an upsell, your average order value gets even stronger.
3 to 5 clients equals $500 per day. The acquisition strategy is straightforward. Join free business school communities, offer a free sample to provide value, deliver exceptional results, then convert to a monthly retainer. Each happy client typically refers 1 or 2 others. It's a simple but effective system. Model 2, high-ticket digital products.
But there's another level. Selling transformation instead of just information. And that's where coaching comes in.
Price it between $497 or $997. Solve one specific painful problem. You need just 1 sale per day or realistically 15 sales per month to average $500 daily. I started with a mini course which I priced at $297, but I created an upsell with a price of $197.
This is where beginners finally stop guessing and start seeing predictable results. 1 month is about learning one skill, making one offer, and getting your first client or sale. Month 2 is about refinement, raising your prices, and speeding up delivery using AI. By month 3, systems stack on top of each other and push you toward consistent $500 days.
And on average, my AOV or order value was about $500. The math on this is also very compelling. Instead of a webinar, use a VSL to sell your $497 product. VSL stands for a video sales letter. It's about 15 to 20 minute video that educates and sells. It runs 24/7 without you being there. With a 2 to 3% conversion rate, you need about 50 targeted viewers daily, $100 in YouTube or Facebook ads.
But even the best plan falls apart if you make the mistakes most beginners make. And that's what's coming next.
20-day roadmap to reach your $500 per day goal. This is exactly what I would do if I were starting over today. Month 1, pick one model, just one. Learn the core skill required, create your initial offer. It won't be perfect, that's fine. And get your first client or sale, even if you have to undercharge.
The biggest problem is jumping between too many methods instead of mastering one. Then underpricing, avoiding automation, quitting at month 2, and waiting for perfection. Most people don't realize they stop right when the compounding begins. Perfectionism kills speed, and speed is what gets you paid.
Document everything you do because you need to systemize it later. The key here is starting before you feel ready. Your first version will not be your best, but it needs to exist. Charge less initially to get the testimonials and case studies. Focus on delivery, not perfection. Now, days 31 through 60. This is month number 2. This is where you refine. What took 5 hours should now take 2. Raise your prices by 25%.
And once you know the mistakes, the last piece is the mindset that carries you from day 1 to day 90.
5 critical mistakes that prevent people from reaching $500 per day. First mistake, trying multiple methods simultaneously. Pick one, master it. Then and only then consider adding another revenue stream.
Now, at any point, if you think it's a lot of work, you are a busy dad or a busy mom, or you have a 9-to-5 day job, then don't worry. The people I'm showing you, they are the real members earning real money from our program, and our program is 99% done for you. You can go to the link in the description and watch this free training, completely free to watch training, and learn about our 99% done for you program. It's a complete step-by-step program. It will answer most of your questions. If you still have questions, chat with this AI chat agent. It is trained to answer just like me. And if you still have questions, shoot me a DM on Instagram or a message on Facebook Messenger, and I will be more than happy to answer any of your questions.
Second, pricing too low. If you are charging $50 when you could charge $500, you're making everything 10 times harder than necessary.
The creator explains that people don't fail because the strategy doesn't work. They fail because they quit right before the breakthrough. Success is boring consistency, 2 hours of focused work, 1 hour of learning, and tiny weekly improvements. He lays out the milestones clearly. First sale in 7 days, $300 per day by day 60, $500 per day by day 90. When you follow the numbers instead of your emotions, results become predictable.
Thirdly, not using leverage. If you're doing everything manually in 2025, you're competing with one hand tied behind your back. AI and automation aren't optional anymore. They are a must. Fourth, giving up at month 2. This is where 80% of people quit. Right before things start working. The compound effect needs time. Fifth, perfectionism paralysis. Waiting for the perfect moment, the perfect product.
In 90 days, you'll either have results or regrets. And that choice starts today. If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.